Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and this video is the complete tutorial on how to set up TextEdit on your Mac and how you can just get it set up and start coding right away. I'll also be showing you some tips and features that you can enable to make your experience slightly better. So let's get started. But first, I'd like to apologize for my Duolingo app icon. I don't know, it's been quite sick lately. Um, if you know why it is, please comment down below. I've got a 127-day streak. So what I'm going to do is so to launch TextEdit, we can either find it on the taskbar. So I have it here, but you may not. So that opens it up. Or we can go down here to the launchpad, and it's usually in this other folder, and that is here. Otherwise, the easiest way is to launch Spotlight Search and type text edit, and that opens it up. So what we're going to do is on the desktop, we'll just create a new document. But to make this completely fair for you guys, I'm actually going to be going to settings and restoring all of the defaults so that it's better for all of you. So now I'll be closing this and I'm going to create a new file. So as you can see here, it's slightly different than what it was before, and you can't really do any coding in HTML or CSS or whatever you want with this. So, and to start coding, what you have to do is you have to go up to TextEdit and settings. And firstly, what we're going to do is here where it says format, we're going to select plain text. Now we'll close this. And if we open a new document, here it is, it's plain text. And here you could technically code, but there is still one more thing that you should enable. So that is if you go to settings, then go to open and save. It's best to click display HTML files as HTML code instead of formatted text, because let's say that I just start this document, HTML, open the HTML tag, close the HTML tag, and I write in here a simple H1 heading, and I write hello, and then I close the tag, and I'll just save this as 1 to the desktop. So firstly, you have to write .html. This is very important when saving files. Save, use HTML. So the point is that if we click here, it shows like this, which is normal. But if you want to open it with TextEdit and you click open with TextEdit, it shows like this, which is not what we want. So to fix that, what we're going to do is we're going to go to TextEdit, settings, and then here we're going to click display HTML files as HTML code instead of formatted text. So we'll click that, close this, and now if we click here, open with TextEdit, here it is. So that's another thing that I like to keep enabled. Also, what I find incredibly stressful is when I write something and it uses autocorrect because it doesn't find it as a real word, but in HTML it is a real word. So if we go here to TextEdit and we go down to settings, here if we go new document, here I like to click to check spelling as you type and correct spelling automatically. So check spelling as you type, what it does is that if you write something that TextEdit does not think it's the real word, but it sometimes is in HTML, it will draw a bunch of squiggly red lines under the text, which can be quite annoying. And spelling automatically literally just corrects it. I'll I'll show you in. I won't show you that. And also, if you do want a tutorial on how to create a simple website using just HTML, then maybe comment it down below. But basically, I like to check spelling as you type and correct spelling automatically. Those are I can't live with those checked on. It's just really annoying. And I'm also going to tick off text replacement. Now, if we close that and we open this, we should be good to go. So, just a summary. What I did is that if we restore all defaults, a new TextEdit file will look like this. And to fix it, the simple steps are to just go up here to TextEdit, settings, and then click plain text. We're going to uncheck check spelling as you type, uncheck correct spelling automatically, and uncheck text replacement. And here at open and save, we're going to click display HTML files as HTML code instead of formatted text. And then that is good to go. And as you can see here, we have TextEdit. So if I just create a brand new document, here it opens up like this. I'll just write doc type HTML, close the tag, HTML, put the h1 tag as hello everyone. Please remember to like and subscribe. We close the HTML, the h1 tag, and if I create a new paragraph, click you can subscribe by clicking the button below this video. And we're going to be closing the p tag. And we can now close HTML. So, HTML. And if we save this as 2, now to open this, we can either click on it, so clicking on it opens it as TextEdit. If you want to open it with a browser, you can either click open with, it's because we forgot to save it as .html, so we're going to copy this, going to delete this file, and then I'll create a new file, paste that. Then when we save it, please remember to write to.html. Otherwise, what happens is that it happens just like what happened to us now. So it just saved it as a text file. So now if we click on save, it says you have used the extension of .html at the end of the name. The standard extension is .txt. Now we want to use HTML as it's a HTML file. So we're going to click that. And now if we click on this opens it in your default browser. So hello everyone, please remember to like and subscribe. I would also appreciate it if you actually do that. And here it says you can subscribe by clicking the button below this video. Okay, so that's pretty much your tutorial. However, if another way to open the HTML file is to go here to your browser. So we can either use Google Chrome, this is what I usually use, and then I'll go, oh no, if we go here to file and then open file and then go here, and here it is in the desktop 2.html, that opens it up. So please remember to like and subscribe, and you can just, yeah, so please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll be seeing you in my next video, so that will be in about 2 weeks time. But I've decided to make a series on how to make a very simple website using just HTML, so no CSS, but I think that it will be quite useful, and so stick around for that. But for now, bye, and good luck coding with TextEdit.